Guys, so I wanted to show y'all what I ate while I was in Puerto Rico. So this is bacallitos. I got it from a food truck in Old San Juan. It was really good, tasted like saltfish fritters. And then these are French toast, obviously, and some grilled chicken. That one was not a 6 out of 10, but the mimosas were amazing, and it was $10 for bottomless. So yes, love that. And then we went to Numero Uno Beach House, and these are some drinks that we got, and I got tuna wontons. Didn't really like them, so I ended up ordering some fries. And then we went for ice cream, just walked down the town and found an ice cream shop. And this ice cream was so good, 10 out of 10, tasted like Devon House ice cream. And it was really affordable. And then the next day we went to this bar, and it was the best food we had the entire time we were there. Bar food was amazing. And then we went for breakfast and got some croissants, and mine had bacon on there, so I was really disappointed, but they remade it and it was really good. So I still rate them really well. We got some fried fish and rice with plantains and beans, and that was really good as well. We went to this place that was recommended to us. We were really excited and very disappointed by this food right here. It was really salty and extremely overpriced. Do not recommend. But we made up for it with ice cream that night. This ice cream was fabulous. They had so many flavors. It was fantastic. When we went to the Yukon rainforest, we stopped at this little shop, and they had fresh fruits. It reminded me of Jamaica, and that's a random cat that was just running around. It was so cute. I loved this place. After our hike, we stopped for a little snack. I got some mozzarella sticks. Those were okay, but this right here was amazing. Definitely recommend. Thank you guys for watching.